Hey everyone, want to enable dark mode in Microsoft Edge? Dark mode gives the browser a darker appearance that's easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. It can also help reduce eye strain during long browsing sessions. In this full guide, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Edge in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch Microsoft Edge on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the browser, then select Settings. Next, click Appearance from the menu on the left. This section lets you customize how Microsoft Edge looks and behaves. Now find the overall appearance or theme option, depending on your version of Microsoft Edge. Select Dark to switch the browser to dark mode instantly. If you'd rather have Microsoft Edge match your computer's appearance automatically, choose the System Default option. Edge will follow your Windows or operating system theme whenever it changes. Some websites have their own dark themes, while others follow your browser or system preferences. If a website supports dark mode, it may switch automatically. Otherwise, the page may continue using its original design. While you're in the appearance settings, you can also customize the browser's toolbar, fonts, home button, and other visual options. These settings let you personalize Microsoft Edge to fit your preferences. For the best experience, use dark mode in low-light environments. Keep Microsoft Edge updated for the latest design improvements. Choose the system default theme if you frequently switch between light and dark modes, and adjust your screen brightness for comfortable viewing. These simple adjustments can make browsing more enjoyable, and that's how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Edge in 2026. Whether you're browsing at night or simply prefer a darker interface, dark mode is quick to enable and can make your browsing experience more comfortable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.